Let's talk about Zoodles today. Welcome back to the Silly Kitchen. I just wanted to kind of talk to you a little bit about what you can do with some zucchini. It's a great vegetable this time of year, but a lot of people find it boring, because it can be. But this simple dish, packed with flavor, can be a side dish or a full meal, so let's go ahead and make it. The first thing you're gonna need to do is get yourself some sort of a spiralizing tool to get your zucchini into some noodles. I have a fancy little contraption, just a handheld that works really well, but there are so many options out there. The other tip I have for you is to add a harder and sweeter vegetable to your Zoodles. I'm gonna go with carrots today, but butternut squash, sweet potato, those types of things work as well. That way we have the softness of the Zoodles, but also we maintain an extra crunch and sweetness with that addition. Use your favorite pesto, whether it's homemade, store-bought, whatever it is, and use a good heaping 2 spoonfuls or so for your Zoodles. This is packed with flavor. You might want to add a little bit extra pepper or some garlic. You know, you might need a little bit of extra oil because your pesto doesn't have enough oil in it. Just kind of eye out what works without getting these Zoodles too soggy and wet. A little bit goes a long way here. You then need to just move them around in the pan 5 to 7 minutes on medium-high heat, and that is it. You are done. It literally only takes about 5 to 7 minutes to get your Zoodles all ready. That zucchini's nice and soft, it cooks up quick, and we want that carrot to stay a little crunchy to have that extra texture, so we just need to plate it. I also like squeezing a little bit of lemon just on the top for, that extra little zing. And there you go, a quick, full of flavor, lovely little side dish with some texture in it. Now, if you don't want this as a side dish, make it a whole meal. Super healthy by adding in some lean protein. How about some ground turkey? Or maybe some seafood, some shrimp. I love to throw shrimp in this as well. You have a lot of options with this, but those are my few little tips, and I gotta try this. I'm getting hungry. There's no elegant way to do that. I'm pretty sure there's Zoodles all over my face. Give this a try, add some different flavors, do your thing, and come back to the Silly Kitchen anytime you can. Thank you for being here.